Once you have something in your mind, you need the right affiliate marketing program so you can find that particular product and start promoting it. But how do you know it is the right affiliate marketing program for you? What are the most important things? Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to show you 5 best affiliate marketing programs for beginners in 2019, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. When you're first starting out with affiliate marketing, you have to choose the right product to promote. There are thousands of products to choose from and lots of them can be scammy or almost impossible to promote. Choose something that is close to you, something that you are passionate about, and start from there. Once you have something in your mind, you need the right affiliate marketing program so you can find that particular product and start promoting it. But how do you know it is the right affiliate marketing program for you? What are the most important things you should consider? Today, I'm going to show you the 5 best affiliate marketing programs for beginners in 2019. This is my personal opinion, and let's start with number 5, JVZoo. JVZoo is an affiliate program that is free to join. You can find different digital products you can promote in here. You can go to Marketplace and choose your favorite category right here. In each category you will find dozens of products you are able to promote, however you need to get approved by a vendor. How do you do that? Well, you have to write a short message to the vendor and prove him that you are serious about promoting that particular product. The best thing you can do is to be honest. Introduce yourself and tell him you are new and you want to promote this product. You have about 50% chance to get approved. If you want to increase your chance, shoot a quick video so he can see that you are a real person. On JVZoo, you can pick multiple products to promote, ask vendors for approval, and you will see that some of them will approve you even if you are new. Everybody deserves a chance. Number 4, Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus works similar like JVZoo. You can pick from dozens of products and start promoting right after you get approved by a vendor. I want to show you that if you go to affiliate offers, you will see different statistics and you can choose your winning product by its success. What do I mean by that? If you look at this dashboard right here, you can see that there is product or vendor, which means brand name and who sells it. Then there is launch date, that means how old is the product. Then we have sales, so how many sales were generated to this day. Then we have conversion rate, how many people bought that product. If it's for example 15%, it means that from 100 people who visited the page, 15 made purchase. Then we have visitors value. It means that how many dollars is worth per one visitor. Then we have average sale. That means how much you can earn per one sale. And then we have refund rate. How many % of people return the product. Pick some of them and then press this request button and write your personal message to the vendor and wait for the approval. Number 3, Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is a great affiliate marketing program. It started in 1996 and it's one of the oldest affiliate programs out there with tons of products you can promote. It is easy to join and you can choose basically everything aside from digital products. So, in whatever niche you are, Amazon Marketplace will cover that for sure. The only downside are low commissions compared to other affiliate marketing programs. If you look at this board right here, you can see that you can earn maximum of 10% of commissions for luxury beauty or Amazon coins. On the other hand, if you sell like video games or televisions, you get only 1 to 2% of commissions. Also, if someone clicks your link and buys something else within 24 hours, you get a commission for that as well. Amazon Associates works great and you choose basically every product and it's much easier to advertise because almost everybody knows Amazon, and if you send someone to Amazon, it will do the rest of work for you. Number 2, ClickBank. I bet you heard about this particular affiliate marketing program. You can create your account for free right here and you can choose products from all of these categories. The majority of them are digital products and therefore they offer from 50 to 75% commissions. What I don't like about ClickBank, or better about these digital products, is that people don't know these products, they are not familiar with them, and because of that, they are much harder to sell. On the other hand, lots of these digital products have tons of free material that you can use for promotions. This is important because if you are just trying to sell them, they will not buy. You have to add value to your potential customers and build trust with them over time. And here, you can use all the free material you get from ClickBank products and you don't need to create your own content. And number 1, Builderall. Lots of you know that I love Builderall. If you don't know what Builderall is, it is basically an all-in-one online tool for your online business. In Builderall, you can create different websites, landing pages, sales funnels, and also it has its own email marketing tool which is called Mailing Boss. In addition, it has different apps and also add-ons you can use to grow your online business. If you want to learn more about Builderall, I will put a link on my video in the description where I review Builderall, so go ahead and check it out. However, Builderall is not free to join. You can choose one of these free plans at the moment and start using it for your online business. I would recommend choose either $30 per month or $50 per month. If you go with $50 a month, you can also promote it as I do, because every business owner needs a tool like Builderall. You need sales funnels, email marketing, and also capability to automate your business. If you look at this earning calculator, and let's say you are able to sell just 24 licenses in 1 year, which is, by the way, very pessimistic, and only 50% of them, let's say 12, will work as an affiliates, and each one of them sell, for instance, 10 licenses. Your monthly income will be over $2,000. This is not one-time payment, but recurring, and you get $2,000 per month every single month. This is amazing, isn't it? So these are the 5 best affiliate marketing programs: JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Builderall. Make sure you pick something that you are passionate about and you have some previous experience with it. In that case, you are able to promote it better and make more sales. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out Builderall or more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like this kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go and comment below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as best I can. And with that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.